was gonna say good morning, but it's not the morning. But yeah, I had a very busy morning, so it is Monday and tomorrow I'm back to my 9 to 5. But it's okay because I just received my package and I thought I would do like a quick little unboxing. I ordered from Shein because my sister was like, it's fine, they're not making like unethical things anymore, and I remember boycotting Shein because of like the art stealing. They were stealing a lot of my friends' pieces and like arts, and even that my friends, like people out I didn't know, but all of the artists I saw, they just ripped them from their art, and as an artist, no, I couldn't, so I was boycotting them. But I don't know, in a moment of, I don't know, weakness. In a moment of weakness, I just ordered little things here and there that I needed, but I like didn't really know where to get them, and here in stores they would be so much more off-priced because it's not their actual price. They just overprice them because it's in a beautiful, cute store. And I thought I would order like a few things, but after this order I was like, I'm gonna delete the app. So I'm going to do the unboxing and then I'm gonna delete the app. Hopefully the color isn't too weird. Wait. Also, I made myself a nice caffeinated drink, like in these that I ordered last time. They're pretty small actually, which is good because it allows me to not drink too much, and it's logically I got them for my breakfast, but I thought it would be very satisfying to have my coffee in it, so it's been a while since I had actual coffee, so we got the package. It's very big, but it doesn't have a lot actually in it. Okay, it has some very cute stuff in it. Wait, the very first thing I got is these slippers for me because it's simple, it's cute, it's pink. I don't know if you can really tell the color. Oh my god, this is the single item I'm most excited about. Like this one and another one that comes with it. Oh my god, you guys. Isn't it adorable? Like, wait. So cute. I got myself a glass straw. Next one is this. Wait, oh my god. It's supposed to be a robe for like after you shower, and you just slip into this while doing your skincare and making your coffee in the morning. As I said, this is very self-care, so I really imagined like putting these together after the shower and then going to make my coffee with my cute little straw. I also ordered more coffee making things, so just you wait. It smells so weird. I just remembered last time when talking with my boyfriend that Shein had a lot of very toxic things in their materials, so definitely gonna wash it. Hopefully it's gonna be okay. Oh, this one, I'm so excited about this one. This is a milk frother. I have one back at my mom's house, but I don't have one here, and it's gonna change everything for my coffee. I can make 𝒷𝓊𝓃𝓈 coffee, and I'm just so excited. The only thing we're missing is either like an ice maker or a like freezer so we can make ice, because we don't have a freezer, so I can't make ice. Oh my god, it looks so cute. Wait, but I bought it because it has this one that it didn't have in the previous one. Oh my god, this one. I got a little sunset lamp, you guys. I've been wanting one for ages. It looks so cute. Look at it. It's a little astronaut. It's so adorable. Let me just open this that they secured so well. It's a glass thing again, so it's a little glass for my coffee. So I got this to go with this. Oh my god. Oh, I shouldn't put my mouth on it. Ew, that's the vibe we're going for. But this is to make like my little shot of espresso, and then I just pour it on my milk. Isn't it so cute? And I can also froth the milk or the coffee, like if I'm using instant coffee to make my dalgona coffee. Oh my god, oh, it's so cute. It's such a high quality, you guys. I'm shocked. I needed like a little cup for coffee or my little beverages for travel because I have one, but I got scammed actually. Like the little tulip one that you both like the tulip big glass that you guys see in all my vlogs. This one has a lid that goes on top of it, and I thought it would be a travel mug, but it's way too fragile, and also the lid isn't made for the glass. Like, it was a big scam. They just got a glass and a lid that looks like it fits, and they put it with it, but it just doesn't keep, like, it doesn't hold your beverage here, you know, so you just have to carry it and not spill it, which is like, it defies the purpose of having the lid. And it's glass, and this is silicone if it's hot, you know. I'm back from work and it's already almost like the sun is setting, so I closed everything and I tried on this sunset lamp I got, and I don't know, I feel like it's really cute. I set my mind to do something today and I think I'm gonna do it. So basically I have this kind of ladder to mount, and I don't know, I just thought it would be a good idea. It's from Amazon. I don't know what it's worth, but let's try and put it together because I feel like the house is such a mess, and once the ladder is mounted I feel like it will be so much less of a mess because I could just start bringing things here and just decluttering everything. I got this for energy and my battery is low, so I'm gonna charge you guys. And I'm actually gonna start decluttering and I'll show you a little bit later because I need to get this going. Okay guys, this is what I came up with. So here I just left the skincare that I use, I use on a weekly basis, I guess, or monthly basis, it depends. So I have these changeable razor thingies. I have this that I don't really use this much because my bangs are like not right. Lip scrub, like it's only things I use on weekly basis, like face masks. This is my daily skincare routine at the moment. So still have the pumpkin flavor, well, not flavor, the pumpkin scented body butter, and this is everything I use daily. So yeah, these are things I need to wash. So I got this, it's a spray when I did my hair, and I used it to put on, like, to put my toner in when I was traveling, so it was easier and it was smaller size. And oh my god guys, I have this container. It used to be like a ginger shot. I rinsed it, like I washed it very well, and I used it for my cleanser because as you can see I only have like big formats. And tell me why I didn't buy the like traveling size containers that you can get for so cheap nowadays. I just had to drive to that like shop nearby, get them, and it was done. But I was too lazy, so I didn't, and I ended up putting my cleanser in this ginger shot container. So yeah, it was a lifesaver, and I feel like maybe I should like rinse it and put it somewhere so I can use it again if like I need it. But part of me is like, just throw it away and get yourself proper containers for ginger shots and for skincare when traveling. Okay, also I have to like clean this one because it's been in the fridge for a while and I always use it and not clean it afterwards, and I know it's gross, like ew. Then in here, oh my god, it's a mess. I have things that I don't use that much, even though it's this palette that my sister offered me. She gifted this to me for my birthday. I think I'm gonna get it because I've been using it a little bit, but not too much. And look, it's so cute. I think I'm gonna get it at work, like to do my makeup at work. I just woke up from a nap. I was so relaxed. Like, I was watching ASMR and then I fell asleep, but not really. Like, I knew I was like falling asleep, so I think I was just relaxing and kind of falling asleep, but not really. So I tried really hard not to let myself just really fall asleep because I knew that if I did that I would be sleeping until at like 3 a.m. sorry. And yeah, but I kept like waking myself up because I didn't want to really like fall asleep. But it was at some point, I think I kind of like drifted to sleep and then I just woke up, but it felt so good. I like old me would be like super procrastinating right now, not wanting to get up. But I started watching ASMR that motivates me. I know it's supposed to be relaxing, but I still do watch ASMR that is relaxing. But right now I'm watching all these like manifesting ASMR videos. Oh, I'm in the living room, but we now moved to the actual room, but we're gonna get rid of this bed soon. But like I'm still chilling in here. I downloaded Animal Crossing again because I accidentally deleted the file because I wanted to start it again. And yeah, I think it's a good time to start again. I also made a new Stardew Valley little character thingy or like game. Okay, oh my god, I forgot I have makeup on. Okay, let's go take off the makeup, do some yoga, meditation, scripting, and then dinner. Ow. I think I found the perfect tripod for putting you guys in the kitchen with me. You're basically in that rotating thingy for seasoning, which is so good. So I'm going to make an omelette and I'm gonna make it like cheesy because I want something quite satisfying. And I'm just going to crack 2 eggs for each omelette. So it's very easy. I don't know. I don't even know if someone like, does everyone know how to make omelette? I don't know. It's very easy, so I doubt someone wouldn't be able to make it. But some people still mess the pasta. They forget the water. So not judging though. Salt, pepper. Also for the cheese I'm using goat cheese.